One click is all it takes for a person to opt in to receive push notifications from you. No email, no phone, nothing. And now that you have that person in your sights, why not use this to generate more sales or keep them engaged? The potential is there. 38% of people who click on a push message go on to make a purchase. Promotional push orders also increased 139% when compared to the previous year, while automated push orders absolutely skyrocketed 504%. If you are not seeing that big of a success with your current push campaigns, not to worry, that's why I'm here. Here are 3 ways to improve your push notification channel. Number 1, set your priorities. While it might seem self-explanatory, this is often overlooked by marketers that are starting out. A very important thing to consider when creating a push notification campaign is the intention behind it. Make sure that you can effectively tell your goal, your target audience, and the action that you would like the recipient to take. Marketers would often use this channel to push out as many varying messages as possible. If you are sending out a notification just because everyone else does, without giving it too much thought, well, you might be hurting yourself. But if you send well thought out and precisely targeted messages, push notifications can get you a boost in sales, increase engagement, influence positive word of mouth, ensure a better customer experience, and improve customer relationships. In other cases, it might bring the opposite. Which brings us to another point. Number 2, don't be spammy. People don't like to be bombarded with messages. Let's be real. In this day and age, email, SMS, or even a work channel like Slack could seem overwhelming even for you. So try not to make it as difficult to see the value in what you are trying to communicate through push messages for your customers as well. If you are too pushy, they'll just stand up, click on that block button, and leave. Possibly forever. Don't lose your potential prospects by appearing too desperate. Again, know your message intent, know your target audience, and know the action you want them to take. But don't seem too eager to make the sale in the process. Number 3, create relevant content. The following are the reasons that people usually opt out. The messages are sent too often, as we already discussed. The messages are used for promotional purposes only, and the messages deliver irrelevant information. Let me give you an example. Imagine visiting a gym website and opting in for push notifications. You've never been to this gym before and summer's coming up. Lo and behold, how convenient! A message pops up with a title that reads, "Get that summer bod. Grab 20% off your first plan." Awesome, right? Now, on the other hand, let's say that you've been going to this gym for 5 years and you get the exact same message. Now it sounds like you're being insulted for still not being beach ready after 5 years of hard work and paying for this stupid gym subscription in the process. Segmenting your users and sending relevant messages only is the key to success. Offer discounts for fur collectors only to people that you know own cats. Offer special bundles for typewriters only to people that you know are still living in the last century. Avoid sending the campaign to all of your customers as much as you can, and segment your customers to achieve much better converting messages. And that will be all. Without a doubt, there are a lot more things to consider and make sure you're getting right, but fundamentally, I believe that these are the most important. Make sure you have your goals, target audience, and call to action in mind to have a clear message and avoid confusion. Don't spam your customers with anything that comes to mind, as that might lead to a spike in opt-outs. And send relevant content only to make sure you are converting as many users as possible. Do you agree or have a different opinion on the matter? Let's discuss this in the comments below. Till next time.